Today, we're showcasing InFiSlim Pro, an LED screening solution specially designed for hanging installations. Whether in shopping mall atriums, exhibition halls, or stage setups, it delivers stunning visuals with ease. The ultra-thin design of InFiSlim Pro reduces overall weight, making it ideal for large-scale and multi-screen hanging setups. It ensures easy installation while keeping the space neat and streamlined. Equipped with a custom hanging beam system, this structure is both simple and secure, perfect for long-term overhead installations in commercial and professional environments. InFiSlim Pro supports full front maintenance, allowing quick module replacement without accessing the back, ideal for hanging environments with limited rear access. The clean, cabinet-free back panel ensures a sleek look when suspended, perfect for open space hanging installations where aesthetics matter. With a 3,840 Hz refresh rate and 600 to 800 nits brightness, InFiSlim Pro ensures clear, flicker-free visuals even when viewed from below, bright enough to impress, soft enough for comfort. InFiSlim Pro offers a lightweight, reliable, and professional LED solution tailored for hanging installations.